this weekend I went to Autosports Northwest. It's kinda hard for me to pronounce all of this together, but they do sort of a racing. It's called Autocross. Let me say something first. I was making this video before, and I hit my head here because I kept walking like this, and then I did like boom. But then I was very serious, so I stopped. I don't know if it's Lamar, if I'm not butchering his name, and oh. My video. Anyway, I went to Autosports Northwest, and they do this sort of racing which is called autocross. You're gonna see on the videos. It's pretty fun. You see people having fun. I went with my wife and my son. My son is 2.5 years old, so it was kind of hard because he was losing it at lunchtime, and we were offered to ride with 2 people. One of those people were Peter Lamar. He is, I think this is the president of the club or the association. I don't know how you call that, but I'm definitely gonna join it. It's pretty fun. They're gonna have another race in circuit race. I don't know how you want to call this, in August, and I might put my Infinity there. I don't expect to beat the crap out of anybody because it's just about having fun. Of course, I'm gonna build Monica now to deal with the track and the turns and have the right camber and all that stuff, which is gonna help me get a better time in there. But of course, I mean, I want to win, I want to get the best time, but I want to have fun too. So watch my video right after this introduction here. You're gonna see a small video with parts of everything that I've seen on that day, and then you're gonna see some of the videos. So it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoy. All right. See these doing. Pretty awesome. So you see the Porsche. This guy's good. Go on, hit it. See how fast that guy would be. Look at the Miata. Oh. Ooh. Okay, put it down. See? It's a little drifting. That's awesome. Did you see that? Oh, wow. Look 43. The fastest guy is 41. Look at that. It's a little Scion. Oh, look at the driving school guy. He was fast. 43 though. It's an MR2. looks like he missed the cones. Let's see, there's a BMW coming. Yeah. The Durbug, the Beetle. Yep. Oh. Which one, Datsun?
The Datsun, yeah.
Yeah, I love it. I should bought that one for like 2,500.
Should have. Now you're saving money on the floors. You could do it.
That's what I hear from the wife. I install the floor, don't pay the guy, and then I can buy a car. You think it's funny, huh?
If you do a good job.
All right. If I do a good job. If I do a good job. Do you think I'll do a good job, Kai?
Yeah.
Say yeah. Do like this. All right. All right. Let's see the leader. See how fast it goes. Oh wow. Oh, look at the Scion. Oh, 42. Get it. Oh yeah. There you go. It's like a little zoom. Last run his car died. That's 2000. Let's see the Datsun. Say Datsun. Oh man, it sounds awesome. Autosports Northwest. This is a cross track, I guess. I didn't know that this existed. So all the tents and the cars are there. And it's pretty cool, pretty sleek. That car is awesome. And that's pretty much it. We came here with the family today. They're running out there. It's pretty cool. My wife was talking to this guy. He offered a ride, so we can ride with him after lunch. So my son handles it. We might do that. This is an old airport. I don't think it works anymore. I think they use for RC airplanes, and I don't think they do that. Well, they still do RC airplanes, but they have the cars, which is pretty cool.